For half a century, we've dedicated ourselves to building machines, striving to create precise solutions through cutting-edge technology. We work tirelessly. We are DN Solutions. Our sales network spans 66 countries, ranking among the top 3 manufacturers globally. We lead smart manufacturing with our 5-axis, multifunctional and hybrid machines, offering over 400 types of machines tailored to diverse needs. With our own in-house software and R&D department, we ensure continuous innovation and smart technology. DN Solutions isn't just about machines. We provide comprehensive automation solutions, leveraging our extensive experience to deliver optimal results for our customers. We are pioneering the field of artificial intelligence and autonomous manufacturing. With climate change in mind, we're dedicated to developing eco-friendly products and technologies, with a vision of achieving zero carbon emissions by 2050. Machine greatness. DN Solutions.